Have you ever felt like you're falling behind? That technology is evolving too fast, and suddenly, what you know is no longer enough? The truth is, the digital world doesn't wait for anyone. If you don't adapt, you become irrelevant. But here's the good news. There are 12 essential skills that can ensure that doesn't happen to you. Skills that not only protect your employability, but also increase your income and make you stand out in the new digital economy. And the best part? You don't need to be a programmer or a tech expert to master them. Want to know what they are and, more importantly, how to apply them in real life? Stay with me until the end, because this could be the ultimate guide to your survival and professional growth in the digital age. Today, the problem isn't a lack of opportunities, but rather a lack of direction. The job market is constantly changing. New professions emerge, old ones disappear, and many people simply don't know where to invest their time and energy. They fear automation and artificial intelligence will take over their jobs, and the feeling of always playing catch-up without ever keeping up is frustrating. But what separates those who thrive from those who fall behind? The answer is the right skills. The secret isn't just working hard, but working smart. And that's exactly what you're going to learn now. 12 skills that will always keep you ahead. The first essential skill is continuous learning and self-education. If you still think a diploma guarantees job security, I hate to break it to you, but that mindset is outdated. The world now belongs to those who know how to learn quickly and consistently. New tools, trends, and opportunities are emerging all the time, and those who can absorb knowledge independently are ahead of the game. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and even YouTube offer a vast ocean of learning opportunities. The question is, are you taking advantage of them? The second skill that can multiply your efficiency is digital productivity. Time is the most valuable resource you have, and those who know how to optimize it gain a massive advantage. Tools like Notion, Trello, and techniques like the Pomodoro method can transform the way you work. Small changes in your daily routine, like reducing distractions and automating repetitive tasks, can help you produce more in less time. And that means more money, more opportunities, and less stress. The third skill is artificial intelligence and automation. Many people fear AI will replace jobs, but the truth is, those who know how to use AI will have a huge advantage. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and automation platforms like Zapier or Make can eliminate repetitive tasks and free you up to focus on what truly matters. Instead of competing against AI, learn how to use it to your advantage. Another essential skill is online communication. You could be an expert in your field, but if you don't know how to express yourself clearly and persuasively, no one will notice. Knowing how to write and speak well in digital environments is critical, whether it's crafting an email that actually gets a response or standing out in virtual meetings. In the digital world, those who master communication open doors. Now, imagine two people with the same experience and knowledge. One has a strong online presence, and the other is invisible. Who do you think gets more opportunities? The answer is obvious. That's why personal branding and digital networking are skills you can't ignore. Today, LinkedIn, Twitter, and even Instagram can be powerful tools for building connections, gaining authority, and attracting career and business opportunities. If you're not investing in your personal brand yet, you're already behind. Another skill that separates the successful from those constantly struggling is financial literacy for the digital age. It's not enough to just earn well. You need to know how to manage your money. Learning how to handle your finances, diversify your income, and even invest in digital assets can ensure financial security. The sooner you master this, the sooner you'll have the freedom to make professional decisions based on what you truly want, not just what pays the bills. But what if the biggest challenge isn't a lack of opportunities, but rather an overload of information? Critical thinking and information curation are essential in the digital age. The internet is full of fake news, misinformation, and self-proclaimed gurus selling magic solutions. Those who can filter what's relevant save time, avoid costly mistakes, and make better decisions. And if there's one thing you can't ignore, it's cybersecurity and privacy. Your data is a valuable asset, and being careless can cost you dearly. From protecting your passwords to understanding how online scams work, this skill can prevent you from losing money, damaging your reputation, or even missing out on career opportunities. Now think about this. What if your profession ceased to exist tomorrow? Would you be ready to reinvent yourself? Adaptability and problem solving are what separate those who thrive from those who get stuck. Companies look for people who know how to handle challenges, learn new skills, and find innovative solutions. But what if you could turn your ideas into something valuable for others? Content creation and editing are powerful skills in the digital age. Whether it's writing an article, creating a video, or launching a podcast, knowing how to tell compelling stories can open up a universe of possibilities, from advancing in your career to building your own business. And speaking of technical skills, even if you're not in the tech industry, having basic knowledge of automation and no-code tools can make a huge difference. Learning how to create small systems without programming, using advanced spreadsheets, or understanding the basics of automation can boost your efficiency and make you a much more valuable professional. Finally, if you truly want control over your future, you need to understand digital entrepreneurship. Whether it's starting an online business, freelancing, or building passive income streams, this is the skill that can give you freedom. The digital economy allows anyone, from anywhere in the world, to build something that generates value and income. All you need is to know where to start. Now that you know these 12 skills, the question is, which ones have you already mastered, and which ones do you still need to develop? The future belongs to those who are prepared. If you want to grow, stand out, and secure your professional future, you need to invest in your development. So, tell me, which of these skills do you think is the most essential for your career? Drop a comment below. If this video made sense to you, share it with someone who needs to hear this too. The digital world doesn't wait, but those who prepare for it have everything they need to win.